That old clock tower, stuck at 3:15 for as long as I can remember. I wonder what's inside. Dust. Cobwebs. Broken stairs. And a glowing golden key. This must fit somewhere. The gear. It won't move. Wait. The key? The clock. It's chiming. Everything has stopped. A hidden door. A spiral staircase. What is this place? So many clocks. Ticking softly. Glowing faintly. Who are you? You've unlocked the Chamber of Time. Every second of history is stored here. 200 years ago. My town. It's alive. Do not change time. Only learn from it. I almost reset it. But the weight of history? I understand. The clock. It's ticking again. The town? Cheering. But only I know the secret.